Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 59 plate Defender 110 TDCi XS Station Wagon 7-seater that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, let's have a look around this 59 plate. So it's a late 2009 Defender 110 TDCi XS Station Wagon 7-seater, finished in black with black interior. This one's done quite high mileage. It's done 180,000 miles, but it's actually in remarkably good condition given its mileage. Really very nice indeed. Good spec on it as well. From the front we've got KBX grilles and light units in silver. We've got LED lights all round, daylight running lights in the front bumper, KBX grilles and vents. It's got a matching set of general grabber tyres on it on the correct alloys, proper XS spec, so it's got side steps and all the kit. It's got zinc plated bolts on it throughout. Interior spec is completely standard apart from an uprated stereo, but standard XS inside, so half leather, heated seats, air conditioning. Mudflaps all round. It's got a bottle opener on the boot there, on the tail panel. LED lights, as we've said. It's got towpack. It's obviously had a roof rack on it at some point because there's a roof access ladder up there. And that's about it spec wise. As I say, proper XS, and apart from the roof ladder and the stereo in and the KBX grills and the DRS in standard specification. Right, let's go around and pick out some good bits and bad bits. As we've said, it has done just over 180,000 miles, but not only does it drive beautifully, but it's actually in pretty good shape as well. There are a few marks in the paint, especially as black shows every mark. We've got a few sort of chips and marks around here, and a little dent just there, which has lost some of its lacquer on the headlight panel. Otherwise, a couple of chips just up here. This side is all good. The bumper looks pretty new. Paint on the bonnet is pretty good. And the wing tops, there's no chequerplate rash on this one, incidentally. Looking down the near side, looks very, very straight and tidy down there. No big parking dinks or anything. We have got a very slight scuff just here on the near side front arch, and a bit of paint has been lost just there, I think. See if there's enough light for you to see inside here at the chassis and what have you. See a bit of it. A-post and up and scuttle corner. Some electrolytic reaction bubbling on the screen blocks and around the screen surround on the near side. Roof, we've got a bit of a dent just up here. It's obviously hit a branch or something. Perhaps a bit of off-roading. A little bit of a dented section just there, but it's not massively noticeable. A little bit of wear on the modesty cover where people getting in and out, that's normal. Inside, she's absolutely first class. Really good, especially for its age and mileage. There's no funny smells. Driver's seat has lost a bit of its shape on the bolster on the near side there, but that's only to be expected. Headlining is pretty good. Dash is all nice. It's fully carpeted, this one. Say half leather. Door cards are all nice. A little bit of a scratch just there on the modesty cover, and the usual rivet sort of, I don't know what you call that. No, I never remember what that's called really, but just from the rivets down there on the A-post. Be the same the other side, no doubt. Looks all as it should do in the back. Doesn't look as if it's really been satin in the back. Slight scratch just there on the near side rear wheel arch eyebrow. And yeah, we've got a bit of electrolytic reaction coming up here around the Alpine light, and it's obviously another scratch has been touched in just up there, and so again very slightly dented if I feel it. but not a lot. Must be maybe something to do with the roof rack that used to be fitted. Looking under here, under there and around the back end, a couple of bits of paint loss just there and there. Otherwise, around the tail end, all looks pretty good. So this one is a 7-seater, and the seats are currently folded and retracted, but they're all there. Looking down the offside, apart from I clearly haven't closed the driver's door properly. Let's go back and do that again. Or does it sit slightly proud? No, it does sit very slightly proud, the driver's door. Around the offside rear end, we've got a couple of scratches just down there and a bit of reaction just starting just there. There's one thing I did mention, I did forget, there's quite a lot of electrolytic reaction up here on the roof panel, and looks like it's been sprayed in slightly matter black than the standard black at the top there. Again, we'll show you under here. I suspect this has done mainly motorway miles given its overall condition. Again, in here it's all as it should be. Obviously had a replacement hinge down there because it's matte black rather than gloss. Again, you also get it on it's always get it on the driver's side. A bit of wear on the edge of the modesty cover there from people getting in and out. Again, new hinge been fitted there, which is matte black. Bit of a scar on the wing just there, and a couple of other chips along the wing top, but not excessive. Again, we'll show you there's a slight scuff and a bit of paint loss on the front of the near side offside front eyebrow. Show you under there. And then back to inside. Again, dash and interior, all very, very nice. A couple of marks which look worse in the video than they are in real life on the driver's seat. And we've got a slight split in, this is vinyl, this bit here, it's not leather, this is leather, that'll be vinyl. There's a bit of a split there, as they always get when people sitting on them. But as I say, for its mileage and its age, because it's what, 15 years old now, actually not bad at all. Anyway, I hope you like it. End.